Hey everyone, I want to tell you about the most amazing shampoo and conditioner ever. This one is from Yesto Tomatoes, and it's the detoxifying and ultra moisturizing charcoal shampoo and conditioner. Conditioner. I know I got it wrong, but whatever. This one is 97% all natural ingredients. It's amazing for your hair, especially if you have oily hair and a little bit dry. I typically use the conditioner first and then the shampoo. I have like a little bit of oily scalp from time to time just because my hair is like styled this way, and I always put like products in it and a lot of hairspray, so it kind of gets like clumpy, you know, a lot. And so far the system has actually worked for me. I got it at Target. They're both $7.99 each. I know that's a little pricey for shampoo, but trust me, they work. And they have a few other ones. They have a tea tree one and a yogurt one, a Greek yogurt one. I'm not sure what that one really does. Tea tree smells amazing. I have a mask video that I've done. I'm going to link that one down below. Super amazing hair products. I actually have the mask for the purple product. I think it's for frizz. So if you're having frizz issues, based on what I've seen already and tried, go check that out. I'll be posting that video, I don't know when. Anyway, back to the charcoal one. It does have some sort of like grains in the product, but it washes out your hair. This one is kind of like a mousse sort of base. It's kind of like moussey when you're using it, and it kind of feels a little bit grainy, sort of like, you know, face scrub or body scrub. So it's essentially kind of like scrub for your hair, but it's really light. You won't feel any sort of like pain using it. And I'm going to tell you what charcoal is. Charcoal is a natural detoxifier and impurity remover, not just for barbecues anymore. I like when they add those like little tidbits into their description. And it does what it says. It cleans, hydrates, and provides ultra soft hair. It's just an all-around good product. It smells great. It kind of smells like the other charcoal products that they have out there. You know, like it's hard to describe. It smells clean and fresh. Kind of medicine-like in a way, but not too strong. It's not like an ugly smell. You'll smell great after you use it. I'm going to show you what the product looks like in your hand. The conditioner, I know I suck, but it's kind of like a little bit like a mousse when you like rub it in. So like a little bit of kind of grainy, like slight, maybe it's just my hand, but like I don't know. On a side note, if you style your hair like mine, it's not great for like detangling at all. You're really going to have to work at detangling your hair. Maybe brush it before if you can, something, but it's not a good detangling product. This one's amazing as well. It's kind of like a gel, as you can see. It's like a sort of filmy gel. I'll link the product down below in the description, so that way you can check it out for yourself if you want to. It's Yesto Shampoo, Detoxifying, and Deep Cleaning Charcoal. Jay, our CasualBarehn over here, has tried these products out as well.
Oh, here we go.
And what is your opinions of them? Because I like it because it takes the oil and dirt out of your hair, and it's like super clean.
They're like, they're awesome. Like, okay, so for this shampoo here, right? I think I washed my hair, what, 2 days ago? Look at that. Like, look at this. It's still clean. It's still good looking. I'm messing it up, but it looks good anyway, right? Like,
Yeah.
the camera.
And I cut his hair.
Right? Like,
that's why it looks better.
And it got those like little hairs. You know when you cut your hair and you always got those like loose little hairs all over your head? It got those out way better than any shampoo I've ever used. Like, it was amazing. Then there's this, right? And I've used this, and you know what? I actually used this to shave too. I shaved a delicate area. And so you know this shit works, you know what I mean? Like, can I say shit on your video?
Yeah.
Okay. It works, alright? It works. So, if you had any doubts in this product, don't even doubt it, because you know what, it works, it does what it's supposed to. Yesto products are just freaking amazing.
Yeah, I love them. I can't wait to get sponsored. That'd be great.
Oh yeah, I do recommend it. Sorry, I was distracted by the thingy.
These thingies. I'm just like, that's our opinion of the Yesto charcoal products, shampoo and conditioner. As I said before, go pick yourself up some at Target, and the link will be down below, like I've mentioned. So I want to thank CasualBarehn for joining me on this video.
Hey y'all.
If you like the video, please give it a huge thumbs up. Share it with a friend, anyone. And while you're here, why not subscribe? It's free. And don't forget to press the notification bell. Ding dong, you'll be notified when I post new videos, which is typically every Wednesday and Saturday. So be on the lookout for those. And I'm also active on all of my social medias, so follow me there. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to all of you next time. Bye everyone.
God keep my